with musical instruments and with gestures. This week are getting to know you. Teresa will explain. You may take your seats.
So, to know better one another, we will introduce ourselves with 4 things. Okay? So, the first one is our name. My name is Teresa. Teresa de Ahumada. The second thing is...
Hello everyone. I am Father Erwin Kim Simiro. I am from the Archdiocese of Balo. I am currently assigned as Spiritual Director of the Sacred Heart Seminary in our Archdiocese. And my first letter of my name is E. I believe it would describe me as enthusiastic. Maybe Tolasans.
So what I would remind Erwin just to remain on the side.
Siya o sa pagkain ng mga municipality sa PHO. And now I'm the director of the Victorious Mother Seminary, Missionary Seminary for 7 years already. So I did not have retirement. I just changed my tire. Anyway, I am 55 years old. So I'm still deciding point that to myself and others. So that's the main thing. So namin, ikot, ang tamaan ay maanggot. Ikot, ang matamaan ay huwag magagali. Pero namin baik na daw tayo na
Home. Wow, that's the French word for good is home. Home, very. Wala na, kalimutan ang pangalan.
served the order as president of the Community Lucena, and also a regional coordinator for South Luzon. My name starts with J, so it's Joy. Not only in this position, but the fruit of the Spirit. Father Robert Legulo. San Fernando Loyon. I have a twin sister, and we call ourselves Potato Kids. I'm so attracted with Sister Teresa. So I remember she's so happy. And I remember portraying the life of Saint Teresa born for you in a stage play last 2010 and in La Union in 2011 in Bigan City and in Manila. My patron saint is Sister Lucia or Saint Lucy, the patron of the hour. Thank you.
Lucia.
Light.
Luci. Luci's life. Lucia.
Mother Peach Esther.
Again, and try to remember the names and their adjectives.
Life.
Like Lucia, caminemos. Hello, caminemos. Caminemos. Hello. Thank you.
My name begins by M. So actually, welcome to my name. My name is Mary because it's my mother, it's my life, my light, my all of that.
Okay, let's all stand up. And now, as a final, because it will be, so that you'll have some time of rest before we go to the chapel, we will sing the final song along with the words of the stanzas. Caminemos, caminemos, caminemos para el cielo. Caminemos, caminemos, caminemos para el cielo. La pobreza es el camino, el mismo camino. Caminemos, caminemos para el cielo. Dios te caminemos, caminemos, caminemos para el cielo. No dejaré los amor, nuestro Dios y nos llamará. Sigamos en el cielo, y nos caminemos, 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 caminemos para el cielo. Y nos caminemos, caminemos, caminemos para el cielo.
For the meantime, because you are going to practice on it. If you will be successful, you can have big ones. Very big ones. If you want, as big as one. So, isa lang po. Wow!
For sale na yan. For sale na yan.
Yan, the daisies. Ang daisies, di ba? Ano yan?
Yan po ang reward namin pag
Malaki.
successful ito.
Okay. Patutrato. Okay. So, you must love the small ones first, ha? Yung unang-unang gawin ninyo. Yung ano pa. Saan na yung kasama ko? Itago na muna yan. Okay? So, parang this is Pentecost, no?
Na Pentecost.
Do this.
Sige, Pentecost ang gusto ko.
Sunday.
Okay, nakakuha na ko lahat.
Pinalitan ko agad.
What do you want, Father?
What is one? This one?
Father Walter? Okay. What do you want?
No more.
After you can repeat. You can do a second time, ha? Okay, sige. It. Sabi nga ni isang father kanina eh, paano naman ito? Nagpakabusog tayo ng merienda, tapos saka tayo gagawa. Oh, so anyhow, okay ganito. We are going to feel it, but we make sure it takes patience. Feel it, it should be very thin para maganda ang lapat niya sa kahoy. One more kahoy. From Kaloy. From Kaloy.
Yes.
Excuse me, Sister Maria Bella.
Pentecost daw eh. Kaya pinalitan ko na naman.
It needs patience talaga. Okay, huwag kayong siksikan para hindi kayo mainitan. Sorry na for this process. And you, okay, now look, what I'm going to do next. What? Kasi bigyan mo si Father kung ano gusto niya. Ano po ito? Which one? Ito? Okay, now, the next step is this. I'm going to use sandpaper to make the paper thinner. Pero, always be very careful not to make butas. So, patience and silence. Okay? Pwede kayo, para makita nila. Tsaka hindi kayo mainitan. Okay, kaso na lang.
Ito. Sinapunit mo.
Hindi yan. Walang cancel yan mapunit. Yan ang importante. Yung dito hindi mapunit.
Sabihin mo, tapos mo.
Sandpaper. Saan tayo magbuha ng sandpaper?
Marami kang ganyan, Tess. Sa lang.
Pwede kayong if we have some questions, please lumapit na lang and then ask silently. Look at the grain. Look at the grain. I have brushed it but still brush. Pwede na ito. Oh, yun.
Ang dami mga puti.
Okay.
Susunogin yung gilid.
Oo.
namin.
Okay, the next step is this. Dali. The next step is this, burn the sides, but be careful that konting-konti lang ang burn sa gilid, no? Ganun lang.
Swabe lang, swabe din. Hindi kayo nagtatay ng
Parang sigarilyo yan.
Dapat pala sigarilyas. Para ginagawa. Baga. Buangin ko na. Kaya kapon.
Be careful that when you burn it, ayun kasi parang sigarilyo ba ito na nauubos ka agad. Kaya yung patayin niyo ka agad. Oo, doon.
Kaya okay lang naman yung pag-tabi.
Parang may sasarado.
Okay, who likes this? Who likes to burn?
Anong gagawin?
Okay. Pwede, can you please, look at how I finish this project?
Ano pa yun eh? Alisin yung uy, linisin. Ano wag ipinat Uy, linisin ko. Talagang parang pinastik pero ang ganda
Okay. Ang ganito kasi, pag isinunog dito sa gilid, madaling masunog. Para ba yung sigarilyo na tuloy-tuloy? Kaya pag gano'n-gano'n, kahit na wala na yung kandila, may apoy pa rin, mauubos yun. Eh yung paa ng Child Jesus, importante yan. Nakaharap sa atin, it means humility. Oh. So ito, nasunog yun eh. Nawala na yung message.
Nasunog ka wala.
Tanggal ng paa.
Nasunog ka wala. Nanginginig yan.
Yeah, okay na.
Okay ka na. Ano po pantikid yan?
Yes.
Tapos paano pagkakapit?
Baka
wala pang ginagawa, napapawisan ako.
Larger but not so large para hindi tutumbok. Okay? So, okay na. Now, look at the better side. Always at the better side, di ba? The best, di ba? For the Lord. So, then we put face there. Yan. Huwag masyado marami because, ma'am, baka hindi nila makita yung mga iba. The side. Okay, I want to really use my fingers. Malayo ako sa tubig. I should be there near the... Okay? Every surface, I mean yung tama na siguro yan, ano? Oh, sige. Then face it.
Kinarir na. Tawad.
Okay. Okay, now. Now please take a look para hindi na paulit-ulit ang explanation. Okay? Now, put the plastic there. With this brush. Okay. Brush it. Brush. Madiin. Alin? Plastic cover. Plastic cover. Any. Para ma-press. But hold it kasi the glue is not yet so careful. Pag i-brush ninyo ay one stroke. Kasi mapupunit yan.
Slowly but surely.
Ano yan? Yes. At dinadasalan.
Si Tanya. Garing-garing. Kapalan si Pa. Nanalagay ito.
Side lang daw.
Okay lang. After using the plastic, please put them in the basin with water para malinis.
Wala po. Ginawa ng compress para hindi makaan yung ano. Hindi lang pa. Maganda kasi kanina para lalay mo yung apoy. Pag yung kanila, pag wala na...
Ayan na. Lalong palabas yung brain, ano? Now, to make it glossy, ay, hindi maganda yung laki kasi
Polyuretated. Polyuretated.
talaga.
Pwede rin.
Pwede rin. Yes, you can experiment. You can even use gold powder.
Parang pag i-detect sa bato, the same system din.
Bato? Yes.
Ganun din.
Pag ganyan mo, mamaya, that will become glossy. Pero wag mong lagyan ang top. Hindi maganda.
Ano yung lalagyan pa ng plastic yan?
Hindi.
Ba't lalagyan ng plastic?
Ay, hindi na. Wala nang plastic yan.
Pangtakip lang.
Yan na yan.
Pang ano lang, protection yung plastic.
Wag mong lagyan ng plastic.
Mahirap.
Yan ay mangingitim.
Akala ko,
Laminated.
Hindi. Yeah, look. Father, look.
Pwede na po.
Oo, basta to. Maganda naman.
Francis, sama ako. Sa pila. Sama sa pila. Ingatan ang paa. Baka mawala ang humidity. Baka masunog ang humidity. Nakaharap. Ano? Father yan. Next na ako. Father, siya. Yan.
Saan yung sa akin, Adi? Yan. Oh. Sister Flor del Lesa, smile. Smile. Because that is your... Excuse me. Yung init naman yung kamay niya.
Hey. Sa'yo to, para sa'yo to.
Yan, hindi na kita makakalimutan.
Dapat kamay lang.
Kaya nga, hindi yung paa. Kasi kung paa, wala na yung
Yes. Wala po yan. Mamili ka kung gawan. Para hindi lang pala yun. Yun lang po yun. Ito na yun.
Sign. Adong kanya na. Balot ni Apay.
Pakilala ko yan.
Oh, okay. Mga kapatid, it's time to sign off. Okay. Extension, extension. Hindi ko,
Okay.
baka biglang
You finish, you finish it na. And then, iba, ano? Oh, joint project ha?
Okay.
Bilis, bilis. Uy, bakit hindi bakit hindi nag-bilis? Sige. Bilis, mag-propose siya. Diyos ko, yung plastic. Yung grain, ganun.
Okay.
Okay, that's enough. To be continued tomorrow, I think, di ba? Tomorrow. Hindi.
Ay, ikaw na ito.
Dapat contemplative. Oh, marami na naalis.
Okay. Thank you. Cheese. Cheese. You have twins, huh? You have twin icons. Okay. Okay, you...